Hello everyone! In today's Canva tutorial I want to show you how easy it is to make layers in Canva or work with layers. So the first thing you have to do is to find a bunch of different images that you want to use. It doesn't really matter what for pictures you are going to use. You can also use graphics or images from Canva itself, or you can use your own and upload them to Canva. I'm going to use pictures from Canva itself, so I'm going to search for it. And I'm going to search for dog photos because these are my favorite animals. I will pick this cutie one, this one, and also this one with the sunglasses. And I will make them all a little bit smaller. And the second photo I'll put in will go in front of the first photo, but behind the third one. And since the third photo was the last one I added, it will overlap all the others. I hope you understand. You can easily change this order by clicking with your right mouse, then a menu will appear, but the menu will only appear if you layered your photos already. And then you need to select the layers and then show all layers, and then you can easily change the order. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing.